This is Kilo, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the channel. So, this will be another episode of Kilo's Corner. Many of you guys have been asking, what's been going on, if I'm okay, and all kinds of things. I am fine. I've just been really just weighed down with work, and any little free time that I've had, I've been spending with my daughters. So, I know I haven't posted as consistently as before. Before I had kind of scheduled out like I would record like 4 or 5 videos sometimes and then schedule them out. So it seemed like I was posting almost daily. I haven't had time to do that, but I am going to get back into a groove to where I could, try and do that more. But I have a whole ton of questions that are in my emails and the comment sections, and I am getting to those. So I just wanted to let you guys know uh, everything is okay with the channel. It's just been pretty much just me taking a step back from doing too much. That way I can spend time with my family. But I am getting back into a groove here. So I just wanted to update you guys because I know it's been forever since, well, seemingly forever for me since I've posted a video, since I started the channel. So thank you guys for continuing to support the channel. Thank you guys for all of the questions you guys have been sending in and all of the feedback, all of the, the donations, everything to support the channel. I appreciate you guys for all of that. And thank you guys for continuing to support the channel because I see that we've really jumped up in subscribers lately, and that's just incredible. The giveaway is still going on. It will be held on October 20th, so this month. If you guys want to learn more about the giveaway, I will leave a link right here. And you guys can check out the official rules for that in the description below of that video. But I just wanted to update you guys, let you guys know everything is fine, and I am going to be trying to do some more response videos. I've been kind of going back and forth with a lot of you guys just in messages and emails, but I want to try to do this for everybody. When somebody asks a question, I want to try and make a video. That way, if 100 other people have the same question, I could just answer it for all of them. And the videos make it cool because you guys can always just refer back to a video. So that's really all there is to this one. I just wanted to say thank you guys for continuing to support the channel. Thank you guys for, reaching out to check on me and everything. I appreciate that. And I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you guys look forward to more content. Keep the questions coming. And I hope you guys have a nice day.